Hey, give me my stencils. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Keely, and you're tuning in to Beauty by Keely. So I have something exciting today. We are going to be doing a unpackaging slash unboxing of something that you never knew you needed from Amazon, okay? I'm mainly talking to business owners. So I got my package. Y'all see that, baby? Prime, okay? Prime. Because that's the only way to go, period. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, like this video, make sure you click that subscribe button, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss any uploads from me. So I do a lot of shopping at Amazon, from beauty stuff, makeup, hair stuff, to technology stuff, you know, whatever. So I figured, why not start unboxing it with you guys, just in case y'all looking for a little something and you may run across it on this channel. But before we get into the actual product, have you hit that subscribe button yet? I'll wait. Hit it. Like I said, I got my package right here, and I already know what it is, and I got some more stuff coming, so stay tuned for a lot of these videos, okay? So when you open it up, and I'll put how much it costs right here because I can't really remember, and I'll put what it is right here that you can find on Amazon. I will also link it down below in the description. Your girl decided that she wanted to start customizing stuff or just try my hand at it. Mainly like some Crocs I got into, trying to like customize or bedazzle them. So I ended up ordering a Quick Crystal Pro. Well, that's what it says. Basically, it's a bedazzler. And then I had a thought. I was like, I wonder if nail owners can use this too. So I'm gonna actually include a video of my Crocs, but then I'm gonna also include a video of me trying to bedazzle some nails. So if you're also in the bedazzling business and customizing other stuff, I'm gonna let you know how this work, okay? How it work, okay? So everything you need comes in this kit right here with a little zip-up pouch. And from the picture, it looked a lot bigger, but you know, I guess this is nice travel size. So it says Quick Crystal Pro. So let's open it up, because I ain't opened it yet. And it's got your cards and all that good stuff in there. Of course, your thank you cards. And then it says thank you for supporting our brand. And it also gives you a little card like this of some stuff that is bedazzled that you can see. But it also comes with, I believe it said like 4,400 pieces of rhinestones, crystals, beads, whatever you want to call it. Trying to open it up, you know what I'm saying? They wrapped it really good, okay? So this is the crystals that it comes with. And it has an assortment of, an assortment of sizes, an assortment of colors. So I see blue, pink, yellow, green, turquoise. So that's a good thing. And these are small. And the next one is like just some silver or clear ones. And then these are a little bit bigger. And then it comes with the iridescent ones. And these are even bigger. So go ahead, get you this starter kit, honey. Starter kit. Okay, so then the next thing it comes with is the actual tool, and it looks like a I'm pretty sure y'all know what this is. It's basically like, I guess, the tool where you actually pick up the jewels and place on stuff. But it's like a little gun. I don't want to say gun because I ain't trying to get red flag. It comes with a couple of other things down in here. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. This, which I'm taking, is maybe like where you can place it and hold it. I don't know. Like I said, I gotta figure it out. That, and then it comes with these, which looks like different attachments to pick up different kinds of jewels, is what I'm going to take it that all of these are, if you can see that. So this kit comes with everything, honey. It comes with everything. So it also comes with some little tweezers, you can pick up stuff as well. It comes with these 2 pencils. I'm not exactly sure what these are, but I'm going to take it as these may be like, I don't want to say grafting, but like where you can mark different stuff or where you're gonna put the jewels at. I've even used a pencil like this or a color pencil to pick up jewels with. So hey, it is what it is. But I'm pretty sure it's like to sketch out stuff. Let's go with that. And then it also comes with this brush. This actually looks like a brush that you use to clean a grill off with. But I'm pretty sure this is a cleaning brush. Some type of cleaning brush. Please put it down in the comments if you know exactly what this is. Oh, well, how about that? If you open up today and it tells you what this stuff is. Basically, it's like how you apply gems and stuff, and it tells about the applicator and the different head pieces, which I had those right, of gems to pick up. Turn on the hot fix applicator. I'm taking that this looks like it gets hot. Applicator and stones get very hot during applications. Do not touch them with your fingers. Okay, I'm definitely going to read this before I go to plugging this in, okay? That is all the stuff that you get. So you get the brush, you get the 2 pencils, you get the head, the tweezers, the gems, and of course, you get the applicator. That is a little unboxing of that, and I'm going to include a couple of clips at the end of this video so you can see how it is, what I'm doing. I'm gonna just try it on some random stuff and everything like that. So if you guys like this quick video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you want to see more Amazon unboxings or unpackagings. I may have some hauls coming. You know, your girl like to shop, okay? But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!